Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get your own Christmas card in Fish It Roblox. So this limited time reward is part of the Christmas event part 2 and you don't want to miss out before the snow melts. So if you want to get this Christmas card, let's see the card first. Okay, so this is the card. So first you just need to head into the Christmas Island to join the event. So if you haven't finished the mission, then you need to do it as soon as possible because in 2026 the event might be over. So once you're in the Christmas Island in here, so this is the card, you need to finish the Christmas celebration quest, which include exchanging gifts, 100 gifts with the Santa in the gift factory, and also catch some fishes inside Christmas Island and also the Christmas cave. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can get the Christmas card in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial.